potato snake gourd cumin casserole, or cumin potato snake gourd casserole, or cumin potato snake gourd bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the snake gourd poriyal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin seed recipes. We're going to make cumin potato snake gourd casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Next ingredients are 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 20 shallots cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 100 grams of snake gourd peeled and cut into pieces, and salt to taste. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds. Salt. Saute. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the shallots and the garlic. Salt the shallots and the garlic again. The cumin. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Saute and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Put in the snake gourd pieces. Saute and mix the snake gourd pieces with the rest of the mixture. Put in the potato pieces. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in a spoon of chili powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt and mix thoroughly. Salt and mix the tomato pieces thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Close and let it cook for 5 minutes. Open. Pour in 250 to 300 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and close and cook for 30 minutes. Cooking for the required time. Open. Now the cumin potato snake gourd casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final cumin potato snake gourd casserole or cumin potato snake gourd bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.